Hi guys, we are at a I think this is a crosswalk over on 19th Street. This is a GTF corporation. I mean, it looks like it's from New York. This is kind of poor. Oh. Yep, this has got some interesting walk signs. And this one too. Looks like someone chipped it. Looks like someone really chipped it up. Look at this. This right here is a sticker stick-on. See, look at this. That right there is especially. Look at this. It's got a traffic light up there. And you know what's making that beeping noise? That thing up there is a Willox LED. Well, those are clear. Those are clear ones too. Yep. That one just went off.